Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and connections. Make sure the watch is charged above 20% and Bluetooth is on. Open the Watch Settings app or the companion app on your phone if that model uses a paired interface. Once done, confirm Wi-Fi or cellular is available so network time can sync automatically. You do this because automatic sync avoids manual drift. It saves effort and keeps apps like calendar accurate. Now, locate the date and time menu to continue. You now pick the time setting method. Automatic uses network or phone time, while manual lets you specify values. If you choose automatic, enable network or phone sync and wait a few seconds for confirmation. If you choose manual, select the correct time zone first, then set the hour and minute precisely. Use 24-hour if you prefer clarity. Make sure to save or confirm changes. You do this because the method affects battery use and long-term accuracy, so choose the one that fits your workflow. Complete the process by confirming the watch time matches your phone and a reliable world clock. Walk through a quick check of alarms and calendar events. If the time doesn't update within 2 minutes, restart the watch and the phone, then re-enable sync. This clears common Bluetooth or network hiccups. If problems persist, reset the watch's network settings, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset, only after backing up data. That troubleshooting step saves time and prevents unnecessary resets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.